Hey Grovers, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Luminosity Layer mode. Now, admittedly, this is something that I learned about just in the past couple of months, and how it escaped me until now, I have no idea. But it's a tool that is quite commonly used when you want to blend lights onto an ambient layer. So let me show you what I mean by that with this photo of a kitchen. We have two layers. The bottom one is our ambient shot, no artificial lighting whatsoever. Our top layer has the can lights on, and you can see that there's sort of this orangey hue to it because a lot of the incandescent lights will have that warm tone to them. And we don't want that to show in the final photo. It's distracting. It takes away from the quality of the final photo. So typically what I would have done is I probably would have put an adjustment layer for the saturation on that top photo, and I would have desaturated the yellows. However, that's a little bit complicated. So we're going to skip that, and instead, when you have this layer here, what you're going to do is you're going to change it from normal, which is the default for all layers. You're going to change it to luminosity. And what that does is you can see now there is no orangey yellow hue to those lights. So just so you can see it again, this is luminosity and this is normal. So we're going to move it to luminosity. So now that we have the color cast figured out, then we can start masking. And you can imagine that when you have maybe a chandelier or some sort of light fixture that's got a lot of detail to it, this is something that could come in very, very handy for really making your job a whole lot easier if you need to add the lights on. So it just takes away that extra step of having to create an adjustment layer to the layer with the lights. So there we go, that's it. That's all I need to do. I've blended the lights on. That layer is set to luminosity. And again, I want to show you if I would have left it at normal, that's what it would have been like. You can see it's got that orangey glow. With luminosity, it's nice and white. So that's it for today. Short little video. I hope this has been a really helpful tool for you guys. I know it's made a difference for me. If you liked this video, please take a moment to actually like the video on YouTube. And if you want to stay up to date on what gets posted on the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I hope this has been a great video for you and very helpful, and I will see you guys next time.